Maya is going to show you how to make healthy dosa. Come, let's go to the kitchen.
For making healthy dosa, I have taken here 1 glass of whole urad dal, 1 glass of brown beans. This is the size of the glass. 1 tablespoon methi seeds, fenugreek seeds, 5 dry red chilies, half glass of idli rice, half glass of brown rice. You can take normal raw rice as well. Half glass of tur dal, half glass of gram dal, chana dal. Now we'll wash all these ingredients. Now we'll wash in running water. Wash till you see clean water going out. Now you can see clean water going out. Now we'll stop. Now I will transfer this to a bigger vessel. Pour enough water. Add water. This is enough. And let this soak for 4 hours. It's 4 hours now. We'll check the grains. Yes, it's soaked well. Now we'll transfer it to a mixer jar. Use the same water in which you soak the grains. Add salt. Now we'll grind this. Now the batter is ready. While grinding, I divided into 4 batches. Added 1 glass of water. We'll mix it well. Let this rest for 8 hours. After 8 hours, it is raised well. Now we'll start mixing it. Add salt if needed. I'll add some water to it now. I'm adding half glass of water to it. Mix it well. This has to be the consistency. If you want, you can make idlis as well. Today I am making only dosas. Now we'll start making the dosas. The tawa is hot. Now I'll add little gingerly oil to it. You can add coconut oil as well. Pour 1 ladle. Do not spread it. Keep the flame in medium. Keep it covered. Now we'll sprinkle a teaspoon of gingerly oil on it. Keep it covered. One side is done. We'll just flip it. Just 2 minutes. This dosa is done. We'll try one more. Add little gingerly oil. Spread this a little. Half teaspoon of gingerly oil. Keep it covered. Yes, this is done. This I am not flipping. See the holes in it. This is a very healthy dosa. It's a must try dish. Forgot to mention, add a teaspoon of hing to the batter and mix it well. We'll make one more dosa. Keep the flame in medium. One ladle of batter. Spread a little. Add finely chopped onions. Tomatoes. Green capsicum. Now I'll sprinkle a teaspoon of idli powder, homemade idli powder. You can add cheese, butter, ghee, whatever tastes better for you. Here I'm keeping it little spicy. So now we'll keep it covered. Let's check. Yes, it's done. We'll sprinkle little gingerly oil on top. If you want, you can flip it, but I'm keeping it this way.
The dosa is ready. You can enjoy it with any curry or chutney of your choice. Let's enjoy it. I'm going to try it with chicken curry and onion chutney. Now let me enjoy my dosa. Thank you for watching Tia's Cuisine. Kindly subscribe, like, comment and press the bell icon so that you get notified every time we make a new video. Thank you.